Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, healing, abundance, and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression is plaguing us at an all-time high. All at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to reverse and heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But today, let's play a game, career, cash, love, and health, where you ask Lord, God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ, questions about your career, your cash, your finances, love, relationship, life, and your health. And they will answer you in the form of a yes or no. So let's shuffle the deck together. Come on, Virgo. Tap that screen, tap that screen, tap that screen. Virgo, did you tap the deck, tap the deck, tap the deck? All right. Shout out to my Virgos, my earth angels. You guys could be anywhere in the world, being so real, logical how you are because you're so authentic, but you guys are spending time with me in the community today, and I'm very thankful for that. I love your energy. I want you to stay positive. I know that we're transitioning into a prosperous time, so make sure that you make the journey easy on you. You're not being an earthquake. We don't want you to break and shatter the world with just one thought. We want you to be a soft tremor where a baby can fall asleep in your presence, and that's how you win, and that's how you transition. You have questions regarding your career. Let's get that together. How about your cash and your finances? How about your love and relationship life? And let's talk about your health. All right, so I need you guys to share your energy as we cut this deck together. Come on, Virgo. Tap that screen, tap that screen, tap that screen. Virgo, did you tap the deck, tap the deck, tap the deck? All right, so my Virgos. I'm going to cut it up, and see what we have for you in store as far as career. Virgo's career. How about your cash and your finances? How about your love and relationship life? And let's check out your health. All right, Virgo, send your energy, send your energy. You have one arm available. Send that energy, and let's play career, cash, love, and health in regard to your career. Let's talk about Virgo's career. We have a no. We have a yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Down to the wire, we have a yes. To my Virgos, you guys are in the right place, right time, in alignment for your prosperity, for where your heart will sail and your soul will glow. You guys are in the right placement. So I hope that made your heart, soul shine and glow, because you have a yes in regarding your career question. So let's talk about your cash and your financial question. We do have a no for the Virgo. We have yes, no, no, yes, yes, yes. So in regards to your questions regarding finances to my Virgos, we do have a yes. You're not shortchanging yourself in the universe. You understand your worth. Keep pushing your worth, because you are priceless. Everything in the world belongs to you already. You just have to believe it and claim it, and watch how it comes to you. It's that easy. Now, welcome to halftime. Shout out to Marvin the Martian. We're in this world, not of this world. Let's talk about your love and relationship life. So Virgos, we have a yes, yes, no, no, yes, yes, yes. So when it comes to love and relationships, you guys have the trifecta. You guys have the triple yes so far. So you have the yes when it comes to love and relationships. Not only are you tapping into your love frequency when you're good and healthy frequency and energy for yourself, but those that are around you are forever evolving. But you guys are in the right place, right time, and you're mastering yourself very well. Let's talk about your health. Let's go for health for Virgo. We have yes, no, no, yes, no, 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 so in regards to your health, Virgo, I know there's a lot that's going on with you. We do have the no. It's not a hard no. It's just a not yet. I need you to continue to build on your body, eat right, treat right. I need you on a massage bed twice a month, see a chiropractor twice a month, work out your body, your mind, body, and soul, because once you feel better, you think better. Therefore, your life shall become better. So you guys are on the right track, but I need you to focus in on your health. So remember, love one another. Be kind to one another. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. And thank you for playing Career, Cash, Love, and Health. I love you guys.